YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea J, and today's video is going to be a wig review. I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts or just the specs on this unit, please stay tuned. It's me lit and ready to put this wig on. As always, I start with some foundation on my lace and on my cap, and then go right in with my absolute favorite spray at the moment. It's the Binf Lace Bond Spray. If you haven't tried it, I don't know what you waiting on. It's top 2 and it ain't 2. But don't be like me. Be patient when you're putting this on. Make sure that it is all the way dry before you go into the next step, which is moussing, slicking down these baby hairs. I did pluck this wig just a little bit, which I did not record. My bad, y'all. Let me know if y'all want to see that in my next video, and I'll make sure I record it. But yeah, slick your baby hair down. Pretty effortless. I will say this is my second time putting this wig on. I decided to go take it off and go back and just record me applying this so you guys can see how easy and effortless this slay is. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, you guys, before I jump off into this review, I want to send a huge thank you and shout out to the beautiful people behind BinfHair.com for sending me over this unit to share my thoughts with you guys. So thank you to them. I am going to insert just a little clip right now showing you guys how this wig did come out the pack. Just really quick, you're going to see that it is a 5x5 closure instead of what we love, the 13x4. The 5x5 really is a wave, you guys. It has 2 combs on both sides of the closure and a comb in the back with adjustable straps and a wig band. I love that these wigs nowadays are coming with a wig band in them already. Yes to that. Now let's talk about this wig. On my hair right now, it is, I have washed it, I bleached the knots, and I did go in and pluck a bit, and without realizing that this unit was already pre-plucked, I always just pluck a little bit more for a more realistic look. But your girl might have went too crazy. Hence this little extra unnecessary baby hair situation going on. Other than that, like, I really didn't have too many problems. This hair is it is shedding more than I would like. So when it comes to shedding, I'm gonna give it about 7 out of 10. With curly hair, that always happens with me. I haven't found a unit that really is just like no shedding, no tangling. Tangling, not too much. It's 24 inches long. Hair is absolutely gorgeous though, like absolutely gorgeous hair. This unit is a little thinner. Let me see the density really quick. Oh, this is supposed to be 180 density and 24 inches, but I'm feeling like it's more like 150% density. But the hair is very, very pretty. I'm not gonna lie. Once it dries, I did put some mousse in it, and it fluffs out a bit. It looks really, really full, but it's still really, really pretty. Let me turn to the back so you guys can see it really quick. I hope y'all can see it. It's so freaking pretty. And maybe I just haven't seen it with curly hair like this in a while. I tend to go with straight hair that I gotta curl myself, because this could just be a bit much after a while. But like, don't nothing beat no curly hair, y'all. And this is just, the 5x5 is, just be careful. When I bleached the knots, I feel like it made the hair a little bit more brittle. So I was losing more hair than I wanted to up here on this side. And then my mousse that I use is really, really, really tacky. So it was coming out when I was trying to lay the baby hair with everything get stuck. I'm trying to glue it. Y'all know I ain't no pro, okay? But your girl getting better, you know, by the end of this year. I mean, I might be coming for Tay. No, I ain't gonna go that far with it. But I am gonna say, would I recommend this wig? Yes, if you need a unit last minute. Because I'd say the shipping was fairly fast. If you just need something decent that's gonna get you through, I'm gonna say go ahead. This is a really, really pretty. It looks so good. Granted, I missed a little section right here with the mousse, and I've been handling it a lot. As you can see, like this is like freshly moussed over here and wet, and I guess I missed a spot over here, but it's really pretty. So you can kind of see how it gets dry, and I don't mind it. It gets like a little fluffier. It just gets fuller to me, and the curls, they are tameable. Okay, is that the word I'm looking for? They're easy to manage. I don't know what word I'm looking for. I'm having a brain fart right now, but I ain't gonna lie, I did not expect to like this wig because it was shedding more than I wanted it to, and I felt like it was gonna be a tangly mess. But it's actually really freaking pretty. So yeah, let's see if it's on the affordable side. I'll stay all there. Let me click this link. Hold on. And I didn't even tell y'all, I believe this is, yes, it is the Loose Deep Wave HD Lace 5x5 closure lace. Well, let's say, okay, it's a 5x5 closure human hair pre-plucked wig, and I got it in 24 inches. Let me see if I can find the price for y'all really quick. It says it's about $230. That's not bad for this, I don't think. Around $200 for this type of unit. That's not bad. And then first I was a little worried when I seen a 24. And when I got it out the bag, it wasn't giving 24, but it's definitely giving. It's giving that now. So I'm gonna say it's true to live. So ladies, you need you a vacation wig. You know what I'm saying? I don't know about the how long it'll last. If you guys want an updated review just to see, because this is initial review, just to see how it holds up over time, I will give you guys that if you guys are interested in that, because I'm low-key interested. But right off the bat, I definitely feel like this will get you a 2-week for sure guarantee you going to slay. Now after that, I don't know, but it's really pretty right now. So shout out to Binf Hair.com. I know I was just blabbering. The Red Bull got me on 10, y'all. But I hope you did enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment below if you had any questions that I did not cover in the video. I will answer them below. As always, y'all know I do talk back. Subscribe if you have not yet. Please subscribe. Please support your girl. Come back for more videos. And until next time, bye, y'all.